Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I will be showing you how I prepare this delicious pineapple cake. As you can see, it is very beautiful. So guys, before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and do not forget to hit on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. As for my host subscribers, thanks so much for your support so far. I really do appreciate, and thanks for sticking with me. Okay guys, let's get started. For this recipe, you will be needing 250 grams of plain flour, 4 eggs, 150 grams of butter, 250 grams of sugar, a sachet of baking powder, 3 centiliters of rum, that is optional, 1 lemon, and also our principal ingredient, which is 500 grams of pineapple. That's all guys. So guys, rum is optional, so you can do without it in this recipe. So guys, for this recipe we will be needing caramel. So to prepare our caramel, we will be needing an extra 150 grams of sugar and also 3 tablespoons of water, guys. So I have a blender to blend everything together. Don't worry, we'll get to that stage. We're going to prepare our caramel. To prepare this caramel, you will be needing 150 grams of sugar and also 3 tablespoons of water. That is just it, guys. Guys, put everything into your pot and put your pot on the fire. Just stir, keep stirring. This is the only difficult process on this recipe. Do not leave it, and don't forget to stir with your wooden spoon. Very important. So keep stirring until you get that brownish color that you are looking for. That is it, guys. can see, guys, my caramel has begun to form. So I would give up. I will still keep on stirring, guys. Very important, because you don't want your caramel to get burnt. My caramel is done, so I'm just going to pour it into my pan, spread it, and after spreading it, so I'm using a can pineapple. So it has already been sliced and all. So I have already drilled out the water, so I'm going to add half of those pineapple into this caramel. Keep watching. Guys, at this process, I'm going to mix my 4 eggs with my 250 grams of sugar. So I'm just going to walk it through so that the both elements will be blended together. Guys, at this process, I'm going to add my butter and blend everything together. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting on the red button, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks so much. Keep watching. So now that I'm done with the 3 elements, so I will be adding the 4th one, which is my plain flour. So remember, I have my egg, sugar and butter. So I will be adding my flour now. So I will make sure that everything is well blended together. at this stage, I will be adding my rum. As I said earlier, guys, this you can do without this step. It is not something you must have in this recipe. It is optional, guys. Now I'm going to blend the remaining of my pineapple. Then after blending, I will add it into my mixed element. You can see I'm adding it to my mixed element. So after adding it, I'm just going to blend it. So guys, I'm done mixing, so I'm just going to pour into my pan the dough. So I'm going to pour everything into my pan, and after which I will bake in the oven for about 40 minutes. So guys, you will be seeing 20 minutes in the video. That is a mistake, so it's 40 minutes. Guys, like I said earlier, it's actually 40 minutes, not 20 minutes. That was a mistake.